Welcome to this explainer on Whitehall's practitioner-grade GMP Golden Rules e-learning program. If you're working under a GMP license in pharma or medical device manufacturing, well, you are exactly where you need to be. Today, we're going to unpack why a core set of non-negotiable habits is literally the absolute bedrock of your site's operations. So, here's our roadmap for this breakdown. We'll start with why these golden rules actually matter, take a look inside the GMP course itself, pinpoint exactly who it's for, and wrap up with your daily compliance impact. Let's get right into it. Section 1. Why golden rules matter, and the high stakes of pharmaceutical compliance. To kick things off, we really have to ground ourselves in the day-to-day reality of manufacturing. Because, as we all know, compliance is an everyday, relentless discipline, not just an occasional event. Consider this jarring figure, $5 to $15 million. That right there represents the average remediation cost of an FDA warning letter. Just let that sink in for a second. GMP non-compliance, it is definitely not just an administrative hiccup. It leads to major product recalls, import alerts, and even facility shutdowns. Warning letters are public, they're lasting, and yeah, they are incredibly costly. But, beyond the massive financial hit, the absolutely crucial point here is that these non-negotiable habits exist for one reason: to protect patient lives. A single documentation error or a bypass control can mean a contaminated or subpotent product makes its way to a highly vulnerable person. Ultimately, the patient is the one depending on every single step you take on that shop floor. Moving on to Section 2, inside the GMP course, and the foundational pillars of daily compliance, let's dive into exactly what this comprehensive curriculum covers to keep your site fully licensed and, most importantly, patients safe. Okay, so Alcoa Plus. This is the universal standard for data integrity. Your records absolutely must be attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. It demands real-time traceable records over whatever might be locally convenient at the time. Basically, there is simply no "I'll write it up later" in the world of GMP. Which brings us directly to the ultimate mantra of GMP, right? If it isn't documented, it didn't happen. Regulators evaluate your site's compliance exclusively through objective evidence. They don't want your anecdotes, they want the actual record. Simply put, if you can't prove you did it, in their eyes, you didn't do it. So the curriculum takes you on a rapid, practitioner-grade tour of your daily operations. You're going to master strict SOP adherence, precise gowning behaviors, and really rigorous contamination control. It also teaches you to respect material status, and this is a big one, to never ever bypass controls or just assume an unvalidated process is somehow safe. And what's really great is how this course fundamentally shifts your perspective. It actively teaches you to raise quality concerns completely without fear. Look, mistakes happen, we're human, but a mature GMP culture treats deviations as vital signals to investigate, not embarrassing failures that you sweep under the rug. Reporting those deviations immediately is literally a core habit of a reliable operator. Now, this brings us to a really critical operational question about accountability across the whole manufacturing lifecycle. Who is actually responsible for making sure all of this happens day in and day out? That brings us to Section 3, who is this for? Breaking down silos in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Let's explore exactly who this course is designed for, recognizing that GMP genuinely touches every single role on the shop floor. It's definitely not just a quality assurance thing. Compliance is a massive shared responsibility. It applies equally to the operators executing the procedures, to QA testing the products, to warehouse logistics managing quarantine status, and of course, to engineering maintaining the equipment. It's also absolutely vital for contractor staff and onboarding new joiners. Everyone needs a shared vocabulary across all these different silos. And it's all about this idea. Quality is built in, not inspected in. This ensures every single department understands they cannot just rely on end product testing alone to catch errors. A robust quality culture means quality is built daily by every employee in every single action. Think about it. It's practically impossible to test every single unit you produce, so that quality has to be guaranteed by the process itself. Moving into Section 4, your daily compliance impact. We're transforming passive viewing into active learning outcomes. Let's look at what this actually means for you on the ground. This isn't just theory. This is about what you're going to be able to do on the floor immediately after taking this course. You are going to leave equipped to maintain a constant state of compliance. The goal here is to completely eliminate that panicked, stressful pre-inspection scramble. Instead, you'll transform audits from these high-anxiety events into routine demonstrations of your excellent daily standards. You'll actually start seeing GMP through the auditor's eyes. By mastering these outcomes, you ensure every single shift contributes directly to the site's licensing. You're going to learn to apply these golden rules every single day, to confidently challenge practices that start to drift from the SOP, and to respond clearly and accurately when an inspector is walking the floor and asks you a direct question. Because the crucial point here is that your daily execution of these rules provides the exact, traceable evidence that global regulators are demanding. When the FDA or the EMA comes knocking, it's your meticulously filled batch records, your validated gowning, and your strictly followed procedures that actually prove your site is in control. Ultimately, this course empowers you to own your role as the silent defender of patient safety on the shop floor. Because true GMP compliance isn't about putting on a performance for an inspector. It is all about the integrity you show at 3 a.m. on a Tuesday when it's just you and the equipment. So I want you to take a moment and just reflect on your own daily habits. When the pressure is really on, are your actions a liability or are they a shield protecting the patient and the license? Do your behaviors truly keep patients safe? This Whitehall course is your roadmap to ensuring the answer is always yes. It's time to master your impact.